Hi, I'm Sam Copeland from Reaseheath Food Centre. I work in the bakery department. I am course manager in bakery and patisserie, and I'm cake decorating tutor, and I also teach bakery theory to level 2 and 3. And today I'm going to explain some of the kit we use in cake decorating sessions. So the first thing that I'd like to introduce you to really is your tub of kit. Every student will have their own kit when you come. Some of you will already have this at home. It's great to ask for it for birthday presents and Christmas presents. People are always asking, what should we buy you? So if you start to get the cake decorating bug, it can be a little bit expensive. I found that over the years. And some of my kit is really old now, and I've been working with it for many years. In fact, I have a rolling pin that's 34 years old from when I very first started cake decorating. So if you look after it, it looks after you really. So some of the things that you'll find in your kit, first of all, is a set of modelling tools like this. So this would be a veining tool. We can use this for many things, making flowers or for modelling when we're making little animals and little shapes. This would be a bulbous cone tool, again for making shapes. This one is a little knife tool. The other end is a blade, so it's a blade one end and a shell the other. And this one would be your smiley face tool, which we use quite a lot when we're making little animals especially, as well as people. Then you get a little star tool, and the other end would be used just to cone out things. You may have a tool like this, which is great for when we're doing brush embroidery or for doing little stitches, putting marks in icing. In your kit as well, there'll be some brushes. Now this one a very kind friend gave me, and I absolutely love my set of what I call blusher brushes. They've never been used on faces though, guys, so don't worry about that. So those are used for putting lustre onto cakes or onto cupcakes, onto little models, and you'll use them quite a lot. You'll have a set of tools like this, different paint brushes, different sizes, and we don't use wood in our bakery at all. We have a no wood policy because of splinters and hygiene, so all our tools will be plastic. Okay, so your paint brushes will be different sizes, used for different jobs. So we use them for gluing and sticking items together. So paintbrushes are really useful in the bakery. Other piece of kit that we use is just a garlic press. Great for pushing icing through the little holes there, make hair, brass, really useful piece of kit. You'll also have pens to do writing on icing. We do piping on icing, and we've got different types of shaping tools for icing. When you come to Reaseheath, the first thing that you will do is learn to identify all of your tools. So that's just a little starter for your little pot of tools.